You are welcome. Safubafu Brukina Dêguê. Happy married children grow. Preparing Dêguê or Brukina is very simple. The ingredient that you may need are on your screen. You would need couscous or Dêguê, milk, lime or lemon, sugar, natural yogurt. If you don't have Dêguê made from millet, you can use couscous. The value is the same. First, we are going to boil water. In order to prepare this couscous, we don't need much water. Boil the water, and after the water has been boiled, switch off the fire, or more or less you can lower it to the last level. Divide the water into two, and then pour the couscous into the boiled water. Mix the couscous with the boiled water. Add the boiling water gradually. We don't want more water inside the couscous. If you add more water to the couscous, it would become like banku or fufu. Dêguê food is good for married men especially. But if you have cholesterol problem, it is not advisable to be eating it regularly. So after mixing the water with the couscous, you have to cover it for 5 to 10 minutes while it is still on the fire that you've switched off. After 10 minutes, we are using fork to separate it, to scratch it. We don't want it to be like fufu or banku, so use the fork to scratch it. After you've gotten the couscous ready, put it aside and let it cool down. Better more, you can keep it for the next day. After preparing the couscous, we are moving to the next level. That is the natural yogurt. We are going to use natural yogurt. If you have the option, use different brand of natural yogurt and it would give you good result. But if you don't have the option, use only one brand of natural yogurt. And you can make your own yogurt, your own natural yogurt. If you want to know how to make your own natural yogurt, search for my videos. I've made video on how to make yogurt. You can search for Safubafu yogurt and YouTube will send you there. Or type in your Google search Safubafu yogurt. They will bring you the result. So after adding the yogurt, add sugar according to how you want it or how you want your health to be tomorrow or in the near future. After adding the sugar, add evaporated milk. We add evaporated milk. The evaporated milk is going to do wonders according to its taste, its richness, and its bitterness. Some people decide to add flavors to it, but I decided to use natural lemon or lime flavor to it. So the choice is yours. You can add any flavor of your choice. If you add and it suits your tongue, continue it. If you add and it does not suit your tongue, then stop it and change the strategy. So I added 1 lemon. Dêguê food or Brukina or Thiakry food is loved by most people, especially people from Francophone countries like Senegal, Mali, Cameroon, Burkina Faso, etc. After putting everything inside the big bowl, stir it, then add water. Add the water according to how you want the thickness to be. And one thing, if you keep it, when you finish, we are not going to eat it on the same day. Keep it for the next day. And when you keep it for the next day, the thickness is going to increase again. So add the water accordingly. After stirring it, then we add our couscous to it. After adding the yogurt, evaporated milk. Evaporated milk is also known as ideal milk in Ghana. So add water gradually according to how you want the thickness to be. If today is your first time of watching Safubafo TV, please subscribe, like and comment. And if today is your first time of watching how to make Brukina, Dêguê or Thiakry, it is good opportunity for you. This is a job opportunity. Be your own boss. You can decide to make it and sell it on the roadside. One problem that you may face is the acquisition of the raw materials, especially the yogurt. If you want to prepare your own yogurt, for business wise, you have to prepare your own yogurt. And you may need cow milk, or you may need nido or milk powder. That may be the challenges. After packaging it, keep it in the fridge for the next day. It would give you the best result. If you eat some on the first day that you did it, the taste would be different from the taste on the next day. Hey, brofo. So, after preparing it, put it inside the fridge and just go and sleep and wait for the next day. Patience has its own way of rewarding. So after preparing it, be patient with yourself, be patient with your stomach, and you will testify on the next day that you've done great job. After everything being successful, you can jump, you can dance, you can do everything while waiting for it on the next day. So this is it. So on the next day, I'm back, coming for the work that I did yesterday. Superb. Fanta Bruta. So nice. So you can package it like this and sell it in your church, at your mosque, around your area, or anywhere you think there would be market for it. So don't sit down and say there is no job. If you don't know how to make your own yogurt, search for my video Safubafo yogurt. You can go there and learn how to make your own yogurt from scratch. The couscous, you can get some to buy in Ghana, or especially in the supermarket. Accra Mall or the big mall, they sell couscous there. Couscous is an Arab food, so it is almost everywhere. If you are a married man and your wife is sick, please don't eat this food. Otherwise, you are going to rape her and it would be used against you in the law of court. Thank you for watching Safubafo TV. Life is beautiful. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Simplicity is the best. Choose simplicity and be free. If God willing, we shall meet again. Thank you.